In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find working Doordash promo code in November 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up web browser and then at Google search bar, type in Doordash promo code and then hit on search. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different sites that contains free promo codes. You can open up any of them. That one gives me 84 different coupon codes. You can scroll down through that list to see them all. For example, the first one gives me 50% off plus 0 delivery fees. I can hit right here at more details to get some additional information, and then you can hit at show coupon to see the promo code. Here it is. Now you can hit at that icon to copy it to clipboard, and now you can go ahead to Doordash website or mobile app where you can use that promo code. Just don't forget to use it before paying any money and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site and here try to use another one. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.